to another vlog of moving. Today we're getting to the bedroom. Let me just show you. Yeah. So it gets worse. Oh no. Cue the time lapse.
I like to be educated.
Okay, this is a life hack for anyone that's moving. What you do with your clothes is you take like a bunch of them in your hands with the hangers. I know none of my hangers match. Ignore that. Punch a hole, or not actually punch a hole, but like with your nail, just like puncture a hole in the bottom of the bag, and then put the bag over top of the hangers at the top, and then you can just carry this whole thing. And you put it right on the rod. I am not used to this much closet space. I still have 2 other rods over here. So I'm gonna need hangers for all of these because there's nowhere else to really put them. This is all like pajama stuff. Way better than it was. I got all the garbage bags sorted out. The bed looks atrocious right now, but ignore that. I'm gonna get better bed sheets. But look at this snowstorm. Oh. Yeah. I stacked these shelves on top of each other to make a makeshift TV stand for the meantime. It doesn't really, nothing really matches right now. So for all the interior designers, don't come for me. The power's really out. But we got pizza. Doesn't that sound like thunder?
That's the wind.
That's steak wrap. That looks pretty good, I'm not gonna lie.
Talking good?
I got a bagel. We're having a snack break.
I got that lettuce in there.
We had to go pick up a TV.
I got the steak.
They don't cut them anymore. And cream cheese.
And the fact that they put lettuce in the shit, that's how you know it's a gourmet. Tim's just trying to step it up.
They got pizza now.
They said Starbucks, who? Don't care. We got steak wraps. What do you got? Cake pops? Don't care.
We're gonna go get the TV. I'm gonna have to unload all this shit. His mom got me an air fryer and a laundry basket, which was very nice. So we have to set that up.
Your toaster there instead, put the air fryer there.
I think this is where it's gonna have to go. It looks really good. The glare, I need to close the blinds, but oh my god, it looks like when I'm filming is in it. Whoa! Wait, look at my camera. It looks like I'm in it. Okay. Goldfish. Chip. Because I bought cheese. Containers for the bathroom, hair ties, because I can't find any anywhere. Heart ice cubes, because duh. These chips, I don't know if they have these in America or not, but they have them here. Noodles, rolling pin, toilet cleaner, a measuring cup. I have muffin mix and I don't have muffin trays, so I bought 2 of those. A broom. I have to find the stick. I don't know where it is. I bought another shower curtain because I really like the pink one. I don't know. I'm just gonna leave this one under there and switch it when it's dirty. Because I like that. And then hangers. And then that was it. That was $86. I feel like I have more though. Don't I have another dollar store bag? I swear there's another one. Oh, the garbage bin. There's more. A garbage for the bathroom. Lint roller refills. A strainer because I made a drink yesterday and I blended up strawberries and the clumps were really gross. This is for the muffins. The cheese for the chips. And this is for the bathroom as well. A little soap thing. And that's all. This is all I got. I got this as well. So that's nice. Because I did not have one. Yeah, like I like the shower curtain. But plain pink would be cute too. Because it would match my towels. I have some hair ties. This closet yet? But I put my purses here. It's kind of a disaster. But it works. It works. Twist open. Oh my god.
What the fuck?
She would love it. Okay, I think that's what it's gonna look like. The oven stinks because it's never been used before.
Just make sure there's no fucking plastic. I don't see anything.
No, it's just because it's new. I got this on Amazon to roll my face. Wanna try it?
Sure.
It feels so good.
Not bad.
Does it feel nice?
Yeah, it does.
Do a plant update. I don't know.
You think they need water?
I think they might be cold. I might have to move them.
You think so?
I don't know what's wrong. They're going towards the light, so I think they need more light.
Yeah, maybe.
But I can't really give them more light. It's as light as it's gonna get. That's all it
It
made.
kind of smells like the green part of the watermelon.
Kinda.
Looks like something Shrek would have drank.
Yup. This looks good. Look where we are. The one and only. I got a plant thing from Facebook Marketplace, so we're gonna figure out how to put it together.
You can't